Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter honey chicken. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including chicken, butter, honey, and your favorite spices. Next, prepare your chicken by cutting it into uniform pieces for even cooking. Finally, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, getting it ready for the deliciousness to come. Now, let's infuse that amazing flavor. In a bowl, combine the honey, melted butter, and your selected seasonings. Toss the chicken pieces thoroughly, ensuring every bit is coated evenly with this delicious marinade. Allow the chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes. This step is key for maximum flavor absorption.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic way to enjoy music while you cook. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
It's time to bake. Carefully arrange your marinated chicken in a single layer on a baking sheet. Pop it into your preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to flip the chicken halfway through the baking time to ensure it gets beautifully golden brown and crispy on all sides. Almost done. While your chicken bakes, you can reduce any leftover marinade into a rich, flavorful glaze on the stovetop. Once the chicken is cooked, drizzle this warm, delicious glaze generously over each piece. Garnish with some fresh parsley for a pop of color, and serve your amazing butter honey chicken immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.